Calibration of microscope magnification setting. First, place a scale, focus it, and you come to scale, new, then select so it is 10, 20, 30, 40 mm. Here in length mention 40. Okay, then you say okay. Now it is calibrated. You can cross check by distance. You can see the distances.